There's never been an online workshop like this before. I'm Linda Kemp, and I'll be joining Cheap Joe's Art Stuff to present an all-new 3-day acrylic program called Enchanted Waters. Here are some of the paintings you'll learn to create: lily pads, water lilies and ripples, and whimsical fish. Watch and paint along with me as each painting evolves. I'll share my strategies and secrets, offering tips, techniques, exercises, and full demonstrations for you to learn and paint. There'll be time for you to ask questions too. Along with the program, you will receive a full-color course handbook filled with information about supplies, reference photos for each project, negative painting strategies, color guides, and summaries of the lessons. You will also have access to a private web page that has been created just for this event, with bonus videos, daily lesson plans, and a list of the specific colors for each painting. Recordings of all the lessons will be available to you for 8 weeks following the workshop, so you can practice and paint along as much as you wish. For information and to register, visit cheapjoes.com and click on Art Workshops.